Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope all of you doing well. Firstly, Ramzan Mubarak to all of you. Keep praying and remember me in your prayers. Now move towards our today's lecture. As I had discussed earlier about the discovery of cathode rays, now the next topic somehow related to your previous one, but this one about the discovery of proton. So in 1886, Goldstein discovered canal rays. He used a discharge tube having perforated cathode. What is meant by perforated? Numerous holes present within the cathode. These tubes usually have two chambers which are separated by perforated metallic discs served at cathode of the discharge tube. The space between cathode and anode of discharge tube contains residual gas molecules. These rays were traveling opposite to the cathode rays. As positive charged particles pass through holes of cathode in the tube, they are known as canal rays. As you can see in figure number 1, there is a node at one end and cathode and other end. Air at very low pressure. Again, high voltage generator. Air at very low pressure and high voltage. Then within the discharge tube, the positive rays move towards the perforated cathode, and when these rays pass through the holes of cathode, they strike with the surface of the glass tube and produces red glow. And in second picture you can see that positive particles move in opposite direction to the negative particles. Okay, our next topic is properties of canal rays. The properties of these rays were following. These rays travel in straight line but opposite to the cathode rays. The nature of canal rays depend upon the nature of gas. What would be the reason? The reason is electron emitted from the cathode collide with gas molecules. These collisions knock an electron out of each gaseous atom and generating positively charged ions, which are accelerated towards cathode and pass through the holes in cathode, producing beam of positive charged particles on the back of the cathode. Next property is these rays do not originate from an anode. So how they originate? They originate when fast moving electrons collide with your gas molecule and remove its electron. As you can see in this equation, when electron strike with your gas, positive charge ions generating and electrons are removed from the gas molecule. Mass of these particles was found equal to that of proton. The mass of proton is 1840 times more than that of an electron. Conclusions: these rays are made up of positively charged particles. The mass and charge of these particles depend upon the nature of gas because different gases produce different types of positive rays. Again, because different gases produce different types of positive rays having particles of different masses and different charges. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.